We are on the 2013 Honda Accord here. We got a valve cover gasket replacement. We got the valve cover off, new gasket on, dual overhead cam working here.
Do you have oil gasket?
And it also has a high pressure fuel pump up front. So this thing is pushing. We also got oil pan gasket replacement here. We got the oil pan off, cleaned up. This was a big headache to get off. Don't believe the videos on YouTube that said that it was the easiest thing ever, because it wasn't. We had to finagle this thing off, and we got a piece of wood here with the jack holding it up at the axle bracket to give us enough clearance to actually get that oil pan off of there. And it uses 020 oil. Make sure you get with us at 214-791-7037 for all your mobile repair needs.